In this meditation, we're going to work with the single greatest healing ray there is. The electrifying blue-white fire. To begin this meditation, sit comfortably in a chair with your legs uncrossed and your feet flat on the floor. Your back is straight. You take a couple deep breaths and are feeling your divine center. Then also envision a golden sphere around you, protecting you, that you feel safe throughout this meditation. And above your head, about 2 feet, envision a golden white sun, and that this magnificent healing power is flowing down from that part of you. We'll begin now with a simple invocation. Heavenly Father, Holy Mother, God, we raise our consciousness into Thy consciousness, where we become one with Thee. We ask to receive that which we need and that which we need to know now. Put your attention in that golden white sun above your head. This is your higher self point. Let go of any cares or concerns right now. You are standing on sacred ground. And now we request that you downray from the celestial source the extraordinary, healing, life-transforming, blue-white fire. Envision this blue as a brilliant sapphire blue with white light flowing within it. This nourishing, life-enriching power flows through all the planes of consciousness to that golden sun above our head in a burst of light, and then gently downrays into our auric field to charge and recharge the aura in new, vibrant, healing life force, soothing all the stresses, any distressed area in the physical body, in the mind, in any part of the auric field. Now let this energy flow in through the top of the head gently now to a chakra point in your head, your mental center, the energetic nucleus of your mind. And let it be filled now with the blue-white fire, healing, soothing any mental distresses or anguish, any pressure of any type. And if we've been holding on to any pictures of illness and disease, to release those pictures and bring forth the beautiful picture patterns of perfect health and well-being. And downray this light to the throat chakra, a chakra point in the middle of the throat, blessing it now in this blue-white fire, bringing in healing vibrations into all the words we speak. If we have spoken of illness and distress, to let those vibrations go. Or someone else has spoken them to us and we accepted them, to let them go as well. And thank you now as this blue-white fire downrays to our heart chakra. This is the energetic nucleus of all our human earth affairs, all our personal affairs. Let this blue-white fire charge and recharge this part of us in new healing life force. Blessing persons, places, things, conditions and situations, conditions that constitute the situation. And if there are any distresses going on in our life right now, any healing that's needed in a relationship, in our career, in our finances, and any of our activities right now, let this life-transforming power stream forth the healing currents into those areas of our life that need it now. And thank you now as this energy downrays to the emotional center. Blessing the emotions, a chakra point by our navel, giving us an emotional healing. If we've gone through any emotional turmoil, difficulty, any angst, to release those vibrations now and feeling this healing balm, this soothing, life-nourishing energy of the blue-white fire, calming the emotions, and bringing them into perfect health and restoration. Thank you now as we ask this light to flow into our physical body, into all the organs, all the functions, all the systems of the physical body. Breathing in this enormous life force into any distressed area in the physical form. Feel the light going into those areas now, healing, helping to accelerate the healing process. If there's any spiritual toxins in the body, to release them now. Nourish the body with the spiritual power it needs. The brain is nourished and all the functionings of the brain, the nervous system, the circulatory system, the endocrine system, the digestive system, all the great miraculous systems of the body healed in this life force energy. And now we thank you as this energy blesses all facets of the aura. So we are shining lights, thy great power. As we conclude this meditation, we ask the golden light of protection to once again surround us to protect the power that's been given. Now we feel the light equalizing through the consciousness. You're feeling very grounded, coming back into your earth awareness, ready to go on with your day. So be it.